So the project this weekend is refinishing this fireplace insert that I found online for 50 bucks. The guy had it sitting in his garage for like 10 years. So basically, it's not very well used, but you can see it's rusty. It needs some painting. It smells like mouse piss. So, oh yeah, there's some mouse evidence in there. Anyway, I started by taking the top off, and obviously I'm gonna take it all down, wire brush it, and go through all the electrics and make sure the connections are good and everything's looking good there on the blower, and paint it with some high temp paint. But yeah, so it's a weekend project, but it's, assuming it works, it's going to be much cheaper than spending $4,000 to $5,000 plus on a new fireplace insert. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.